In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into your CRM from a CSV file. We'll go through the full process together in a simple and practical way so you can move your contact data into the system smoothly and avoid common mistakes along the way. Before you begin, make sure your CSV file is already cleaned up and organized. That means your contact information should be in clear columns with each column representing a specific type of data such as first name, last name, email, company, or phone number. A well-prepared file makes the import much easier and helps reduce mapping errors later. To get started, log into your main dashboard and go directly to the Contacts section. From there, open Contacts again inside that area so you're viewing the main Contacts table. This is the page where your existing records are listed, and it's also where you can bring in new ones through the Import tool. Once you're on the Contacts page, look toward the upper right area of the data table. You'll see the Import button near the top edge of the list. Click that to begin the process. This opens the import workflow, which guides you step by step through bringing your file into the CRM. Next, choose Start an Import. When the system asks how you want to import your data, select File from Computer. Then choose the option for One File, Contacts. This tells the platform that you're uploading a single CSV file that contains contact records only. Choosing the correct import type here is important because it determines how the system interprets the file and what fields become available in the next stage. Now upload your cleaned CSV contact database file by dragging it into the upload area in the browser or placing it directly into the upload block. Once the file is added, the platform will read it and prepare the column headers for review. After that, you'll move into the mapping stage. This is where you match each column from your CSV file to the correct CRM property name. Take your time here and review each field carefully. Good mapping ensures the right information ends up in the right place, which is essential for keeping your database accurate and usable. If a column is matched incorrectly, that data may be misplaced after the import. When everything looks correct and each column is mapped properly, click Finish Import to complete the process. The CRM will begin importing your contacts, and after it finishes, your records should appear in the contacts list, ready for use.